Hey there guys, Nice Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we would be playing with the Nerf Alpha Strike Cobra RC6. Okay, so here we go with our Nerf Alpha Strike Cobra RC6.
Perfect.
This is still from Nerf right here. So we see the branding here. And this one is a targeting set. As you can see here, it comes with these targets, right? It also comes with 12 Elite Nerf darts. And of course, this is for kids age 8 years old and up. There's our Hasbro branding right there. So here's a good picture on how our Nerf gun for today looks like. So there are parts right here. This is the barrel part where you fire the darts from. Number 2 right here. This is where you load the gun. And this is number 3, which is the trigger. So these are our included targets. The 12 Elite Nerf darts right there, and with a total of 17 pieces overall. So let's continue with our unboxing. So here's what we got with our 17-piece targeting set. So this is our Nerf gun right here. These are our Nerf darts, 12 of them. And these are our included targets. So let's go with the targets first. So you have already seen this from our previous reviews on other Nerf guns, which we have reviewed on the channel. So what you do with these halves, join them together in the middle right there to form your target. So Nerf branding still on the target right there. It's clear, right? And you do this as well to the other two. These are our Nerf darts, Elite Nerf darts right here. Right there guys. So these are our Elite Nerf darts, which comes with the targeting set. And this is our Nerf gun for today. The Nerf Alpha Strike Cobra RC6 right here. So it's a little compact in terms of the size. If I would be guessing, this would be 7 by 6 inches. So 7 in length, 6 inches in height. So we have reviewed something compact on our channel before, and it was the Nerf Alpha Strike Fang QS4. So in terms of size, they are almost the same. If you want to check that out, click the link right here. I'll also put it on our video description. So we have our grip right here. This is really similar to the previous gun, which I have mentioned earlier, the Alpha Strike Fang QS4. So they have the same grip, and the trigger right there, Nerf branding and Alpha Strike branding at the same time. It's predominantly orange with a yellow sight or scope, and this is the mechanism where we load the gun. So you cock the gun right here and load it. So it's really similar to the Fang QS4 in terms of the grip, trigger, and how you load the gun. So in terms of the scope or sight, it's predominantly yellow on top right here. So you can see your scope from here.
Perfect.
And here is our gun barrel right here. Somewhat this is similar to the other Nerf gun which we have reviewed before on our channel, the Nerf N-Strike Disruptor. So if you want to check that out, click the link right here. And I also put it on the video description. So we have a 6-dart rotating drum right here. So the disruptor, the one I mentioned earlier, has 8. So this only has 6. On the other side, much of the same. Grip, trigger, loader, the sights, and there we go.
Perfect.
This is a really compact gun, and it's really easy to hold right there in my hands. But my hands are fairly large, so I'm not sure if this would be okay with the smaller hands. But it's easy to grip. The grip is good. So now we load the gun with our Elite Nerf darts. So there you go, guys. Our gun is loaded with Nerf darts right here. So now all we have to do is load our gun with our loader right here. So what you do is you pull this back towards your body until you reach the edge of it. So this is how you do it. Maybe put 2 fingers under there and you pull. So that is an armed Nerf gun right there. And now we can pull our trigger right here to launch our projectile dart right here. All you have to do is pull the trigger. I'll show you the projectile right here. Ready? Wow, powerful shot from a small Nerf gun, huh? So again, all you have to do is pull this lever or loader right here back and squeeze your trigger. Ready? So now we are going to proceed with our power test. So this is our Nerf gun right here, the Nerf Alpha Strike Cobra RC6. So we have our target right here, our usual target. There's a piece of paper on a shoebox. So our Nerf is locked and loaded. I will fire from, again, 6 feet back using our 6 darts right here, and we will try to put a dent on our target right here. Sounds good? Let's go. Ready? Okay, so unfortunately, our target still stands. There's no holes in it. Not yet. Maybe on the next Nerf gun that we have, right? But this is a powerful shot. This is a very compact Nerf gun right here. And it packs a punch. Really, really powerful shot right here. This is a compact power shot Nerf gun right here. So there you go with our quick unboxing and review of the Nerf Alpha Strike Cobra RC6. As I mentioned earlier, this is a very compact Nerf gun right here. Good grip, good trigger as well, and it packs a punch. It really is a powerful shot, and I like the dart drum right here which rotates, and I think the color combination is also very, very appealing to me. That accent right there on the trigger, it really looks good. I like it. Please do not forget that we are still on our 3,500 subscribers giveaway. If you want to learn more on how to join our giveaway, click the link right here. I will also put it on our video description. Which Nerf gun do you own right now? Which one have you added to your collection lately? Please comment it down below so we'll know what you guys are adding to your collection nowadays. So do not forget to like and comment. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload the next review of our next Nerf gun, as well as our other video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. And that's been it. This is Nerf Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.